Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. As you can see, we're still here in the islands and today we are making coconut oil. So I am grating coconut to start the process of making the oil. So what you have to do is grate a lot. You're grating everything, skin and the actual meat. Anyways, oops, lost a piece. Did you catch it, Lourdes? So this is what we have so far. A whole bowl. You gotta put your all into it. Muscles, abs. Alright, so now we're adding water to the grated coconut. Alright, we're going to add a little more.
So right now we are washing the coconut to get the milk so that we can use the milk for the oil.
Alright guys, now we're going to strain the coconut milk. Here we go. So we're repeating the process of straining. Alright guys, so this is what we have as the finished product as far as the coconut milk is concerned. This is what we were able to strain. This is what we have. Alright, so with this coconut milk, we're going to let it sit overnight. And that's so that it can separate the oil from the water, and we'll pick it up from there tomorrow. See you then. Okay guys, it's the next day, so we are separating the oil from the water. That's what you see on top. the white. And then as you can see, there's water on the bottom. All right, so we have the oil separated. We're gonna move it over to the stove to boil it to get our finished product. And once that's done boiling, we will come back and show you what we have. I'm here stirring the oil, and it's becoming a little bit thinner, more like oil. So we're still boiling, waiting to get the actual oil finished. It's been on for about 10 minutes now. So we're gonna let this finish the boiling process. All right, we're stirring the pot a little more and just trying to make sure there's nothing stuck to the bottom. As you can see, the process is coming along. We have the oil forming into something more transparent, more oil-like. We're going to allow it to boil a few more minutes, and by then we should have a final product. Hi Neddies. So we just completed the process of making coconut oil, and now we are starting to pull off these buds of this marijuana plant so that we can make it into a marijuana CBD type of oil. So that's what we're doing now. Alright, so I'm putting on a little bit of the hot coconut oil onto the marijuana leaves so that we can get the process of infusion going. So that's what we have here. Alright, so here's the final product of the coconut oil. We're letting it cool down just a little bit, and then we will strain off all of the little bits on the bottom to get just pure oil. Alright, so here's the final product of oil. It made about 1.5 cups